forward to two big clashes. Celta Vigo with John Guidetti playing Shakhtar Donetsk, who are one of the big favorites. And also potential final is Villarreal Roma. Totti is still performing really well, but when you look at the Premier League, you have Spurs and United. Man U is with their squad top favorite to win the title. Ibrahimovic's record is always keen on winning, eager to win another title, so I think they are my top favorite. To go all the way and to compete in Europe, you have to have a big quality squad. And also the experience in these games are really important. You have to perform in the National League and bring that into Europe. But it's not easy, it's really hard. I was signed by Roy Hodgson to Malmö in '88. I remember my first game was against Inter Milan, the champions of Italy, with Bremer, Klinsmann and Matthäus. And then we got a draw in Milan and knocking out the remaining champion. And I got the opportunity to play with Matthäus later on at Bayern Munich, and he still remember those two games. So I got a good start. Football for me was to see how far I could go and to play against the best players. And in Europe, you have that possibility. It's something special from comparing to the national leagues. To see how far you can go, you have to play in Europe, and it's always a special feeling. Fans will enjoy a marvelous fan zone at the Kungsträdgården, just close to the water. It's breathtaking. I can promise you, walking the old town is also something special. It offers something for everyone. It won't disappoint you. My special moment was back in '94. The homecoming from the World Cup in the States, through the streets of Stockholm, crowded, full packed Ölandsparken. Amazing.